5 times the quantity p minus 12 equals 15 for p. What we are going to do on this one is the first thing we want to do is distribute the 5 to both parts. So 5 times p would be 5p. Bring down that minus sign. 5 times 12 is 60, and then equals 15. To solve for p, sometimes if you want to draw your line, that's fine. To get the p by itself, the first thing I do is to get rid of the minus 60, I'm going to do plus 60 to both sides. So we'll get 5p is equal to 75. And then to get rid of the 5, since it's multiplied by the p, we're going to divide both sides by 5. And we will get p equals 15. So that will be my answer for number 1. Number 2, again, if you would like to draw your line down the equal sign, that's great. We have n's on both sides of the equation, so I always like to get rid of the n on the right side. So to get rid of a positive 5n, we're going to do minus 5n to both sides. Notice I did put it over with the other n. 13n minus 5n is 8n minus 42. And then on the right side, we still have negative 30 left. We have an equal sign in between. And then from here, to get the n by itself, to get rid of the minus 42, I'm going to do plus 42 to both sides. So now those are gone. On the left side, I still have 8n, and then equals negative 30 plus 42 is 12. And then to get the n by itself, to get rid of multiplied by 8, we will divide both sides by 8. And when we find what 12 divided by 8 is, we're going to get 1.5. And we got a decimal, that is okay. All right, problem number 3. 2x plus 7 plus 4x equals 79. Okay, now on this one, both of the x's are on the same side, so we actually are just going to put those together. So 2x plus 4x would give us 6x. We still have the plus 7, and we still have equals 79. Okay, then from here, to get the x by itself, to get rid of plus 7, we will do minus 7 to both sides. Those will be gone, so I'll get 6x equals 79 minus 7 is 72. And then we'll divide both sides by 6. So I'll get x equals 72 divided by 6 is 12. Okay, problem 4. 4x plus 7 minus 2x equals 5 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 3. All right, there's several things. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line down here. Several things we can do before we start the problem. The first thing, since this 4x and the minus 2x are on the same side, we can put them together. So 4x minus 2x is 2x. We still have the plus 7. On the right side, we're going to distribute. So 5 times x is 5x. Drop down the plus sign. 5 times 2 is 10. And then I bring down the plus 3. Okay, I'm still not going to start solving yet. I'm still going to simplify the right side. So I'm just going to rewrite the left side. On the right side, since the 10 and the 3 both don't have x's, we can combine them. So we'll have 5x, positive 10 and a positive 3 will be a positive 13. Okay, now from here, draw my equal sign. Since we have x's on each side of the equal sign, we are going to get rid of the 5x. We're going to subtract 5x from both sides. And when I do that, 2x minus 5x will give me negative 3x plus 7 equals, those are gone, and I still have 13. The next thing I'm going to do to get rid of the plus 7, I will subtract 7. So I'll get negative 3x equals 6. And then from here, we're going to divide both sides by negative 3, and we'll get x equals negative 2. Okay, problem 5, we've got some fractions. That is okay. We've got a fraction button on our calculator, so no biggie. All right, draw a line down my equal sign if you'd like to. Okay, we have b's, 2 b's on the left side, so we get to put those together. So 3 halves b plus 1 half b is going to be 2b, and then we still have plus 6, and then on the right side we have 30 minus 2b. All right, now that we have b's on both sides, we need to get them together. So to get rid of the minus 2b on the right side, we'll do plus 2b to both sides. So now we'll have 4b plus 6 equals, those b's are gone, I still have equals 30. And then from here, we are going to subtract 6 from both sides. So I will get 4b equals 24. And then we'll divide both sides by 4. b will end up equaling 6.